So guys, welcome to another video, and today's video I wanted to share 3 things that I feel like every Etsy t-shirt shop owner should have, like in their office, in their house, to be able to like that just really helps you out. So these are 3 things that I feel like all Etsy shop owners should have. And so I'm gonna start off really basic one, but this was one that I recently got. That this is like a grease busting foam. So sometimes that you're gonna get a t-shirt or sweatshirt from like Jiffy Shirts or really any company. I've had like experiences where literally any company that they will send like clothing that has some oil stains, and honestly I haven't been able to figure out why that's so common. And like if that happens to you too, like make sure to drop a comment down below, because I feel like it's so common to get like a grease stain sweatshirt or t-shirt from like really any company. And so then you always gotta go and like send them an email, say, hey, look, like this has oil stain. But the time that they don't make you like return it to get a refund, like you might be able to like still salvage it by using something like this, so you don't completely waste your money. Or like you can then donate it, or like just wear it around the house, and like if you don't feel comfortable like sending it for a customer. So I feel like something like this really helps. I think it's like $4, and like it can save you, like if you can just save one sweatshirt or t-shirt, it can just pay for itself there. So if that happens to you a lot, like grease stains, or you might even spill something on it yourself, then like that can definitely help you out get the oil stain, so you can like at least use it for really anything else. But yeah, so the next thing that has really helped me out has been one of these, and this is like a t-shirt folding thing. So it helps you like fold t-shirts very like uniformly. So this is how I used to fold my t-shirts when I first started, like this. And there's nothing wrong with it, maybe you do this too, but I feel like with the help of this, I'm able to really like consistently get folds like this, and they just look a lot more professional. They look kind of like you would see like when you go to a clothing store. This is what they would look like. So I feel like when a customer receives it like that versus like this, I think they're gonna feel like it came from like an actual store. So like if you want to get or up your game with the folding game, like this can really help you not only get it right, but like continue to get it right every single order that you get. And this works for like sweatshirts and hoodies as well. So it's very universal. Or even you can do it like if you want to fold your own clothes, like laundry stuff, then you can use that as well. So yeah, I feel like that has really helped me out. Just getting a more professional look. I feel like if you sell t-shirts on Etsy or really anywhere, like this is a huge plus. Like I think it's like $20, and there's a bunch of options. So I would say that is a really good option, you know. So I would definitely recommend that one. And last but not least, this is an item that is pretty simple, but like if you have trouble lining up designs on t-shirts and sweatshirts, then I feel like something like this, which is a heat resistant tape, which is like it's like yellow, well at least this one is. So like if you're constantly like placing designs on like a sweatshirt, and you like have to hold it up to see like if it's straight or not, then like having something to like glue it or like tape on, at least temporarily, until like you line it up perfectly without, this won't burn or like stick onto the garment or ruin it. So like if you have trouble lining up and you like to pick it up, and like when you pick it up like the whole thing just falls and you gotta restart, then this can save you a lot of pain, you know. Like get one of these, it's like $5, and it's very universal. You can use this for sublimating like mugs, sweatshirts, or even holding designs, so that you can like verify that they're straight and they're not crooked without burning, and like they can actually stay on while you heat press it without causing any damage. So a little thing like this can save you a lot of trouble if you're just getting started learning how to like get the design on right. Heat resistant tape can really save you a lot of time, and like prevent you from damaging like or like making like wrong designs, you know, whatever. So yeah guys, so that was pretty much for today's video. These 3 things have helped me. This one is the newest one that I've gotten. This is like the oldest thing that I've had, but I'd say like they all help you out a lot, you know. Like this heat resistant tape, so you can line up on the heat press without having to like put any other tape, and then you might forget and like damage your t-shirt. So those are the 3 things that I feel like every t-shirt shop owner should have. Very basic items, and I'm gonna make sure to have these things linked down below in the description. So yeah guys, I hope you guys learned something new and enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and maybe consider subscribing if you want more videos like this. So yeah guys, thanks for watching. Bye.